rain coming down. Rain, catch straw!
Uh-oh, it leaks. A crack. We'll fix it together.
Yay! Whoa, Roskin!
It's okay. We will fix it together.
Okay, Mommy. Oh no, the rain is coming in.
Don't worry, sweetie. Daddy can hear soon.
I'm here. The umbrella will protect us. Let's check this crack.
Here's the bucket. Oh, what thanks. The rain is so loud.
Don't worry, sweetie. Look, the crack is sealed.
Yay! I strong helper. Whoa! Rain beat it. Oh, the rain is so heavy. Yeah, I'm so happy.
Storms come and go, but family stays strong.
Thunder is just clouds clapping.
Puppy cold.
Help others during storms.
Captain Bubba Boo.
First fix, then play.
Okay, Mom. Oh no, it's filling up fast. I'll get another bucket.
Smart thinking.
Yay! It's just the curtain.
Oh, not everything scary is real.
Camping inside house.
Great idea, Bubba. Let's build a cozy tent. Soup's almost ready, sweetie.
Yay, smells so good.
It'll warm us right up.
Up.
We fix house stronger.
Storm may roar, wind may cry,
But we stay strong, we always try.
Happy home wins every day.
When storm comes, don't cry. Call your family, try, and try.